Do you want to be able to know exactly how to use your Expedia discount code? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use it. So what we're going to do first is to go into the official Expedia website right here, as you can see, and then you're going to log in into your Expedia account. And then you should be taken to a page very similar to this. Now, actually, the best way to use your Expedia discount code, then you're going to now just start selecting where you want to be able to actually go to, if you want to be able to actually book hotels, flights, or cars, as you can see. But I'm just going to take hotels as an example. So where to? We're going to take Copenhagen. This is the dates right here, as you can see. This is the travelers as an example just for this tutorial, obviously. Then I'm just going to click on search right here. And we can just take this hotel as an example right here. And as you can see, it should now take us here, which is perfect. So now let's see, select a room here. So as you can see, for some rooms, coupon codes cannot be applied, just so you know. So if you see this, for this specific room, it's not possible. So for this one, it should be possible. So we can just click on reserve right here. Let's see what happens. It's just going to take us a couple of seconds. And now we should be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now on this page, just scroll down until you get to this page where it says use a coupon or promotional code, and then just enter your coupon code in here and click on apply. And if everything is okay, then like your promo code should now actually be like applied to your to your booking right here, and you will be able to see exactly how much you will be able to save. But if it doesn't apply, then probably it's either like entered incorrectly or something else is wrong, obviously. So just double check and try again. And basically this is exactly how to do this.